In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gantt chart in Clickup. Gantt charts are an excellent way to visualize your project timeline, manage tasks efficiently, and keep track of your project's progress. They offer a clear perspective on task dependencies and milestones, helping you ensure that your project stays on the right track. Let's dive into the process of setting one up within Clickup. First, you'll need to access the project where you'd like your Gantt chart to reside. Open your Clickup workspace and navigate to the specific list or folder that you have in mind. This is your starting point for organizing and visualizing your project's timeline. Once you're inside your chosen list or folder, it's time to add the Gantt view. Look to the top of your screen for the plus view button and give it a click. From the menu that appears, select Gantt from the array of view options offered by Clickup. If you know this is something you'll be referring to frequently, you might consider pinning the view for easy access. Additionally, you can restrict third-party access if that's a necessary consideration for your project. Now, let's move on to customizing your Gantt chart to suit your project's specific needs. Begin by adding tasks. You can input new tasks directly into your existing Clickup list or within the Gantt view itself. This flexibility allows you to manage your tasks in a way that makes the most sense for you. The next step involves setting dependencies. Linking related tasks will help you visualize the sequence and order of operations within your project. Adding milestones is another crucial part of customizing your Gantt chart. Milestones are the key waypoints in your project, helping you track progress and identify critical phases of your workflow. Customizing the colors in your Gantt chart can also bring clarity. Adjust the color scheme to represent different statuses or priorities, according to your project's needs. This visual organization will make it easier to understand your tasks at a glance. Don't forget to adjust the time units as well. Depending on your project's scope, you might want to view your timeline by day, week, or even month. You can easily make these adjustments to fit your specific needs. As you populate your Gantt chart, you'll also want to modify the duration of tasks. This can be done by dragging the task endpoints on the chart, giving you the flexibility to accurately represent the time each task will take. Managing and updating your Gantt chart is straightforward with Clickup's drag-and-drop interface. You can reschedule tasks and adjust timelines as your project evolves. The visual nature of the Gantt chart makes it easy to monitor progress and spot any potential delays. If you've set up task dependencies, you have the option to enable the reschedule dependencies. This feature ensures that when you move or reschedule a task, the timelines of dependent tasks will automatically adjust accordingly, keeping your project plan seamless. And there you have it. With these steps, you're fully equipped to create and manage a Gantt chart in Clickup, setting your project up for success with a clear and organized visual timeline.